Learning objectives. At the end of this topic, you will be able to draw a graph of a linear equation in two variables. Represent equations of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Introduction. You already know how to plot points in the Cartesian plane. Now join any two of these points and form a straight line. In this lesson, we are going to learn that every point on the line satisfies the equation of the line, and every solution of the equation is a point on the line. Graph of a linear equation in two variables. We already know that the equation is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variables, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0. A linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. For example, consider the equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. It is a linear equation in two variables. To represent this equation graphically, we need to find at least two solutions. The solutions for linear equations can be obtained by substituting different values for x in the equation to find the corresponding values of y. So we can use the following table to draw the graph. Generally, choose a smaller number only when the calculations are easy. We will begin substituting -4 for x in the equation. On solving the equation, y is obtained as 6. Similarly, substitute 0 and 4 for x. We get y is equal to 3 and 0 respectively. The values of x and y are represented as ordered pairs. The ordered pairs -4, 6, 0, 3, 4, 0 are the solutions of the equation 3x plus 4 equals 12. By plotting these ordered pairs, if we draw a line passing through all these points, a straight line is obtained. This line represents the graph of linear equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. It's general practice to write the equation along the line it represents. There are other points that also lie on the line. Pick any other point on this line and verify whether its coordinates satisfy the equation or not. For example, take a point 8, -3. Let's substitute it in the equation 3x plus 4y equals 12. So 3 into 8 plus 4 into -3 is equal to 12. 24 minus 12 is equal to 12. Therefore, 12 is equal to 12. This tells us 8, -3 satisfies the equation 3x plus 4y equals 12. So we can say 8, -3 is also a solution of the linear equation. Hence, all points that lie on this line are solutions of the linear equation. Now let's take another point that does not lie on a line. For example, the point 2, 1. Let's substitute for x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. On simplifying this, the left-hand side is not equal to the right-hand side of the equation. Therefore, 2, 1 is not a solution of this linear equation. Draw the graph of 5x minus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. First, find the solution algebraically and plot the graph of the equation. First, substitute for x is equal to 0 and find the solution of y. Let's see the simplification. The value of y obtained is minus 2.5. Next, let's determine another solution for the equation. This time, we'll substitute for y is equal to 0 in the equation and find the value of x. Now simplify it. The value of x thus obtained is 1. So the second solution is 1, 0. We have two ordered pairs as the solution for the linear equation. Let's plot these points on the graph. Now draw a line passing through these points. The graph of this equation is obtained. This line represents the linear equation 5x minus 2y minus 5 equals 0. Therefore, all points that lie on the same line are solutions of this linear equation. From this example, we conclude that any linear equation of the form ax plus by plus c equals 0 represents a straight line on the graph. Let's list our observations. 1. Every point whose coordinates satisfy a linear equation lies on the line AB. 2. Every point that lies on the line AB is a solution of the linear equation. 3. Any point which does not lie on the line AB is not a solution of the linear equation. Remember, the graph of the equation of the form y is equal to kx is a line which always passes through the origin. Equations of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Here we learn how to determine the equation of a line that's parallel to the x-axis or y-axis. Consider the two sets of ordered pair plotted on the graph here. Let's draw a line passing through these points. Observe the line obtained is parallel to the y-axis. Notice the point. You will see that the x-coordinates of both these points are 2. This means equation of this line is x equals 2. Similarly, we can draw other lines that are parallel to the y-axis. The equation of these lines are x equal to 5, x equal to 7, and x equal to minus 6. On generalizing, any line parallel to y-axis is of the form x equal to k. Now, what happens in the case of an equation x equals 0? The line coincides with the y-axis. So we say equation of y-axis can be given by x equals 0. Similarly, can we draw a line parallel to the x-axis? The equation of any line parallel to the x-axis is of the form y equals k. If we plot the equation y equals 0, we get a line that coincides with the x-axis. Therefore, we can say y equals 0 is the equation of the x-axis. Let's solve a problem here. Give the geometrical interpretations of 5x plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 7 as an equation in one variable and in two variables. First, we solve the given equation 5x plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 7. On simplifying this equation, we get x is equal to 2. The representation of the solution on the number line is shown here, where x is equal to 2 is treated as an equation in one variable. We know that x is equal to 2 can be written as x plus 0, y is equal to 2, which is a linear equation in the variables x and y. It is a line parallel to the y-axis at a positive distance of 2 from it. Hence, two solutions of the given equation are x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0, and x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. Summary. Let's summarize the topic. The graph of every linear equation in two variables is a straight line. The equation of the y-axis is x equal to 0, and the equation of the x-axis is y is equal to 0. The graph of x equal to a is a straight line parallel to the y-axis. The graph of y equal to a is a straight line parallel to the x-axis. The graph of the equation of the form y equal to mx represents the line that passes through the origin. Every point that satisfies the linear equation lies on the line. Every point that lies on the line is a solution of the linear equation. A point that does not lie on the line is not a solution of the linear equation.